man. We are trying small, man. Small.
Small. That's the only way to go up, brother.
How are things that side? How's business? How's everything?
Uh, Good as always, brother. You know, life is up. It's full of up and downs. That's what makes life more interesting.
Yeah.
But beside that, forward we go. We fail, but we fail forward, brother.
Man, you always drop gems, man. Whenever you open your mouth, you speak bombs.
No, I'm trying, man. I'm doing the best I can. How are you, my man?
I'm good, man. So, X invited me to an event that's happening this Friday, and man, I'm sad I can't go, bruh. Ish, because then I'm leaving.
Yeah.
I'm leaving tomorrow, and I'm coming back on Sunday. Ish.
Yo, where are you going, my brother? Deep in the world. Where are you going, my man?
I'm trying to push. When I'm trying to push, I get I'm busy with other things, like so now, like, ish, these things are demanding of time. Ish. But I'm around. SbuFx.
Yeah, man. Above it all, man, I'm very, very inspired by you and Keys, man. You know, when I look at you, man, and I look at Keys, that is a true testimony that God is really for all of us. He really comes through for everybody, and really hard work does pay. Because if I speak about somebody who knows you, I know you not that personally, but I know you. I know Keys, and to look at the level that God has took you guys up to, man, big ups to that.
Bro, thank you so much. Well, I think you highlighting something very important, that people often don't have like that much faith when they're going through things. But at the end of the day, God is up to something. God is always up to something, even when things aren't necessarily looking up in a way that we prefer.
Yeah.
But like, God is always working overtime and always up to something, making sure that everything goes in line with our purpose and what we are born to become, bruh. So with me also, when I think back, I'm just like,
God is amazing. God is amazing. I'm very, very inspired and touched, man. That's where now you guys are the people who are game changers. You're the people who bring hope to Soweto to say, you know what, Forex really work, because these people, we've been seeing Forex up there, but you guys are the people who took it to the ground and say, you know what, there's nothing. Remember, I was with Keys about 4 months back, we say Orlando. He told me, says, Boo, there's nothing I'll do beside Forex. I mean, this is what I do. There's nothing for me but this, And look at the results, man. It's very inspiring, and the growth behind everything. Growth, man.
It's all consistent and hard work, bruh. Consistent and hard work the whole time, man. It's always been that, and to have people like you who are always like, supportive and always there to even like lead the way. So it's always been a pleasure and a blessing, bruh.
Man, that's the case. That's the only way up, brothers. But beside all, man, Dr. Martin, the one and the only doctor in Africa.
SbuFx, my brother.
Look at yourself, man. You in the balconies now. You relax. Look at you, man. What is happening?
I'm relaxing the sun. I'm relaxing, man. It's all work. It's all work, and it's all work.
No, man. I need
someone
some
knows
medication.
Mr. Busy Corner. This one knows exactly who you are.
Hey, Mr. Busy Corner is not me right now. I'm SbuFx right here. These people, Martin, beyond everything, man. What I've learned, and I'm very, very inspired by you guys. I'm very, very humbled. I'm very, very touched. Because hard work really pays, but it's not easy. Trust me, I know. I mean, again, it's been worse. I once been stuck with the Jaguar. Petrol, dude. Like, it's not easy. You stuck with a big car in the road, being a trader and all. But
it's crazy how God takes us through seasons and specific places and areas just to basically, take us to where we are meant to be, right at the end. We must always trust the process and always believe that, we'll get to where we're supposed to get. Yeah,
it's process. Beside anything, it's process. And if as much as failure comes, but I normally say failure is the best teacher, because now you will never master success if you haven't failed. You need to fail in life so that you can master all the systems of failure, so that you know, if I do this, I will definitely fail because I've failed before. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We must fail
Yeah.
forward, fail early, and fail often. That's what I normally say. We must fail early, fail often, and fail forward. You must allow failure, because failure is the best teacher of all, because you master all the systems of life, and not of life per se, but the systems of how to handle your life. You know,
Yeah.
if I approach this, I will definitely fail. I've approached this before, I failed, and let me try something else, because now in strategy that worked for you in 2018, don't tell me it will work for you now. It's about being innovative. There's no strategy that says, if it says this, I buy, I will make money. It doesn't work like that. But it's an often, you know, growth and all. So that's the language I use. I'm not afraid of losses. I'm not afraid of failing, because I live in that life, man. That's why even if a girl can come to me and say, I'm breaking this guy's heart, he knows nothing. Forex have done that already. You know, I don't even have anymore.
I like that, man. I like that. So I normally tell people that, like, one of my addictions and something that I'm really into is failure. And people are confused as why do you love failing? I think it is only in failure where you only get the chance in the moment to stand back and also like reevaluate your position and reevaluate your strategies and stuff. Because oftentimes when we win too much, we tend to lose our method and our blueprint of our destination to success. And it is only when we fail that we get to go back to the drawing board and even look at the fact that are we still going and moving towards the right direction, or are we still doing what we were here for, because you know how when it gets to your head and you believe that you are great, you believe that you are good, even when nothing is necessarily happening in your life. But for the mere fact that you won in that particular day, then you think and you believe that you are doing well. But it is only in failure that you get to get a chance to spend with the real you and the dreamer that is inside of you, to basically get back to why you started and start moving in that direction of the reasons of your starting in this journey of success. So I think I love failure, man. I love failure, and I'm addicted to it, because it's the only thing that gives me the time to get back to who I really am and reunite with myself. So I agree with you on that one, bro.
People are afraid of failing, brother. And now, when you're afraid to fail, you're running away from your success, because there's nobody, even your Elon Musk, your Jeff Bezos, they only went through their fair share of failure. Like every trader will tell you, I have my fair share of losses. Okay, now one asked me, Sbu, what keeps you going? I said, hey man, what keeps me going is the money I lost in the markets, because I haven't reached the money I've lost. They say, but man, you have so much. But man, you have so much. You see so much. I've lost more than what you see. So for now, I'm still recovering and I'm still making losses. Do you know what I'm saying? Because people will they will say, no,
failure can only mean you are doing something. It's only people who aren't necessarily doing anything who are not failing, But once you start failing, then you are doing something, and that's one thing that people must really look into. That the fact that you are failing means that you are doing something, and the fact that you are doing something is enough. That's enough. Because one day you'll get it right.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
One day you'll get it right. One day, like my friend, I was talking to Enzo. He told me, say, no, Sbu, in this trading life, man, it's tricky. You can have a bad week. Actually, you can have a bad month. You can have a bad year. But the day you'll get it right, you can have one good day that will recover all the 3 months. You know what I'm saying? That's why we keep on pushing.
We need to keep on moving.
You can lose the whole week and start to trade the following Monday and recover everything and make more. You get what I'm saying? Like it happens. Remember when you and remember I came to your house. It was you and your brother who taught me who taught me Nasdaq. The following week I made 90K. You get what I'm saying? So Nasdaq pays. But now it did pay. Yes, it made the facial, but I did make losses. Do you know what I'm saying? I made a lot of losses, made a lot of losses, and made. But when you recover, my brother,
it's like you never lost anything.
It's like you never lost anything. Because even if I can have I have to pay my house. I have 10,000 to pay my house, right? and that's the last 10,000 I have. I will trade it, brother. I will trade it. Because what will I buy food with tomorrow? Forex has a potential to give me more money to survive throughout that month. Even I have the last 10K, bro, to pay the house, then you're done. Then I trade this or I pay the house. Rather trade it. Rather lose money trying to make money.
Ish, bro, powerful. Rather lose money trying to make money. Ish. SbuFx, Buffett. SbuFx. I'm a legend, Buffett. I'm cool emzansi love.
Don't listen to yourself now, fooling me. Don't play with me like that, my man.
I'm being serious.
No, man.
People don't know. People don't know, man. I'm cool, lava.
But anyway, I'll take the credit for that. But anyway, man, let's keep working, my brothers. Let's keep the positive energy. The Indabazogulu, beef and all, man. Let's leave that aside. Let's stick to our own lane. Let's make money. The game is to make money. You trade Forex to make money. You know, you do Forex, just say let's stay out of each other's business. Because that's the only problem we have in South Africa. We try to show who's better than who. I'm a trader. I wanna look good to my friends or my clients with other Forex traders. Let's stop that. You know, let's just stick to our lane. Make your own money. I make my money. Then everybody has mistakes, man. Trust me. Everybody has mistakes. You can go and search SbuFx and search everything about him from the day he started. You will find my flaws. Do you get what I'm saying? And we as traders, we capitalize. I go and search Martin, and whatever I'll find about Martin, I want to capitalize on it. I want to put it on the social media, not knowing I'm destroying this guy's name. In the sense that why don't I go to Martin and learn what he can teach me, you know? Like, you know, when you got a new skill, you say, Sbu, I saw you got something new, man. Can I come through? You literally come through. We learn from one another. We grow each other. You get what I'm saying? That's the only way we can grow.
It's all about growth. All about growth. But thank you so much, my bro. It was great catching up. It's been a very long time, man.
It's been a long time, man. Let's make money, my brother. Hey, me, I'm buying Nasdaq.
Let's make money.
I'm buying Nasdaq. I'm buying Nasdaq.
You're buying Nasdaq. I'm waiting for US States. I'm going to buy it. It's pulling back right now, so I'm going to wait for it a bit, and then I'll buy it maybe around New York Open. I'll see.
Yeah, but I'm waiting. Actually, I'm also waiting for that so that one can hit a good buy. And but I'm exiting my trades now as well. I was in a buy. But I made some small dollars. It's about that. It's about downloading, man.
It's about downloading, man. It's boo.
There's nothing else, but brother, keep on, man.
Sure, Sbu. Sharp, man.